now we are going to ride metro. This is the first metro where we are going to go in, which is called Puhung Station.
Puhung?
Yeah, Puhung means prosperous.
Okay.
Prosperity.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So we are going to ride about 6 stations, but including this station, we are going to take off the train 3. Oh no, 2. So first station is where we are going to see, which is Puhung Station, and then second one we are going to take off, and then the third one will be the 6th station, the last station.
Okay.
Today's course. It's 4 o'clock.
You will make it, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I hope so. I think you and me will be very quick, right?
Yeah, we just need to change only for the dinner.
Yeah. I need to, memorize the song.
Okay.
My goodness. Anyway. Yeah, normally the stations are around 100 meters deep. So the operation hour of metro is from 6 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. And every once a month they have the rest maintenance day. So non-operation day.
Once a month?
Once a month.
It's usually a weekday or weekend?
First Sunday of every month. You got it?
Yeah, first Sunday of every month. All the stations close.
Yes, every station. So you need to ride on another public transportation for that time. Every day around 200 to 300 people, 300,000 people, 200 to 300,000 people riding on the metro. We have 17 stops, 17 stops, and 2 operational lines. 2 operational lines.
When was this built?
First, they start construction at 1969, and then first they opened 6 stations. So it was first opened in 1973, and for 3 more occasions they built up more stations, and then now it's 17, and it was all finished in 1987. So this station and the next station where we are going is the latest one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like built in 1987. So most beautiful ones, yeah, with chandeliers and lots of mosaic murals.
It's a long ride.
Yeah, you can barely see the top.
Can we slide down here?
No. Try. One of my favorite songs. Normally rush hour is from 8, like 7 to 8 in the morning, and also 6 to 8 in the afternoon, in the evening. So yeah, you can see.
Do the locals have to pay anything to?
Oh, sure. Yeah, they pay 5 Korean won. Yeah, it's very cheap, 5 Korean won to get into the metro. So just the entrance fee, and it doesn't matter how many stations you go.
Oh, just one fee. So even if it's one station, is still the same.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
5 stations still the same.
Put the lens cap in your bag. Thanks.
We go to that guide lab.
Okay, what's this?
This is one of the biggest steel factory in our country. We first go to the map, maybe?
Okay.
Yeah. So you see all the name of the stations and have 2 operational lines. So now we are at the station where it's light up. Now we are going to this station and then take off. And then our final stop is here. Yeah, is it clear?
Where, that means what do we see when we come out?
The Arch of Triumph,
Oh, okay.
just next to it. Sounds cool, right? Because this station is named Prosperity, it's decorated according to its name. So why they put this steel factory? It's showing like development in like heavy industry.
Oh, okay.
Not heavy industry, like industry.
Oh, okay.
So on the left is the industry.
All those murals. Oh.
Yeah, and on the right it's agriculture.
Which do we take this?
Why not? Yeah. You wanna sit here? So every stations are decorated according to their name.
No tourists today.
No.
That's good.
Yeah. Selfie time. You can still hold it, right? My hands are not as 1, 2, 3. Ah, it's blurry. Sorry.
Try again. It's good.
Yeah.
How long does it? Actually, how long does it normally wait?
Maximum 5 hours. 5 minutes. You're like, oh. So normally train comes every 2 or 3 minutes. Maximum 5 minutes. And since this is the first station of this line, so we wait longer than other stations. But other stations we,
1 minute? 2 minutes?
2 minutes or 3 minutes.
Yongguang.
Yeah, and in English it's glory. Yeah, so you can see mosaic murals of Eastern Pyongyang. It's like we are standing on the river, Taedong.
Ah, okay, I get it.
There, you got it? You see the river, right? And the tower, and the square, and the grand
okay.
in the center. Yeah, so now we are standing at the center.
On the river.
On the river, yeah, floating on the river. And on the top, these chandeliers depict fireworks.
Ah,
Yeah,
okay.
fireworks. Because the name of the station is Glory.
And you always have fireworks over the river.
Over the river. Ah, now you're
Now I get it.
getting, yeah. So maybe next train, we are going to. So this is very long mirror, like, right? 80 centimeters? Actually,
No,
I'm not.
80 cent. How can it be 80 centimeters? 18 meters.
Oh, 18.
Meters.
Oh, yeah. 80 meters. Sorry. I'm very bad with numbers, actually. So these are all done by very famous artists of Mansudae Art Studio.
It means the whole thing done by several artists or just one?
Oh, several. It will take whole life for one artist to complete this, right? You see the daily newspaper? Yeah, people are reading while waiting for the train to come.
Do the people get the newspapers free?
Yeah.
Is it like delivered to the houses?
Yeah,
or?
yeah.
Oh. To everyone's house?
And normally to every companies and factories.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so they have like according to the workers number or like the office workers number, they distribute it. Like in our company, we get like let's say 10 copies or
because
20.
it's 10 of you.
Yeah,
Oh.
20 copies like that according to the number of the work. Yeah, of course you can't get one per person. So, and every house also deliver.
That's a lot of newspapers. You recycle the newspapers?
Yes, we have to give it back every month. Yeah, is it recycling?
Yeah, it should be. It is recycled, right?
Yeah, it's for recycling.
What time again does the train open? Like what time does it start again? I forgot.
Every day, you mean?
Yeah.
Like 6 a.m. From 6 a.m. to 9:30 p.m.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's the operation like hour.
6
every day.
a.m. to 9:30. Nice and cold.
It's very cool in summer and warm in winter. It keeps the temperature from 18 to 19 degrees Celsius.
Yeah, just sing
Meanwhile.
it. Yeah, just sing it. It's a new one, right? Try.
Can you imagine like I become like on the stage?
I think they should have it in karaoke, right?
No, they don't have.
station is this?
This is called Puhung Station, which means torchlight.
Oh, okay.
Do you want?
Puhung Station. What's this station?
This station is called Seungli Station. Seungli.
Seungli. Seungli Station
Means victory.
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 Okay. It looks a lot smaller. These two look a lot smaller than the first two. They are smaller, right?
Yeah, that too is more modern.
How many more stations? Two more.
Yeah, two more. I don't know if I could put it that way, but you think about the last station where we are going to take off. It's Arch of Triumph, right? So Triumph will return after defeating Japanese, and then national reunification, because the next station where we are going is reunification, and then we get the victory, maybe from Korean War like that, and torchlight. So upholding like the Tute ideal or something, we advance forward, and then we get like our country become very glorious and then prosperous. So it's like kind of showing like the history, right?
Okay, you probably need to explain that again, because this thing won't pick it up. Okay, what's the name of this station again?
This station is called Tong-il Station.
Reunification.
Reunification, yeah, you got it. And next station is the last station of our journey today.
Which is the Triumph.
Exactly, Triumphal return.
Okay. Okay, tell me the name of the station when we reach there. to check out that statue.
Statue.
Yeah. Tell me more about that when we reach there.
As I mentioned before, all the stations are decorated according to their name, right?
Okay.
So this station is called Kaeson Station, which means Triumphal Return. So this is the statue of President Kim Il-sung delivering Triumphal Return speech in front of Korean people.
Oh, okay.
And you see both poles showing the, what is it, like cheering of our Korean people after listening to his speech at the time.
Oh, okay, I get it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you see people are all towards this direction.
Oh, okay. So you were saying about the stations, the way they are
so
built.
far we travel 6 stations, right? So if I kind of like creatively put this together, if we start from here, this is the liberation, where we defeated Japanese, and then afterwards we kind of struggle for national reunification, because after the end of Second World War, our Korean nation was divided into 2. So next station is the reunification station, and the next station is victory station, which means we achieve victory of like the Korean War, and then maybe afterwards torchlight station, which is like we uphold the torch of
The Juche, is it?
yeah Juche,
Okay.
and we advance forward, and then afterwards is the glory station, right? So our country become like very glorifying like country, upholding this Juche flame, and then the next station can be the prosperity, so our country become prosperous. So it's
So
kind of
it's
showing
named
like
that way.
yeah, maybe showing like the brief history. You wait for a second.
Okay.
Yeah? Does it make sense?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's really...
Okay, I get what you mean. I get how they name it.
I don't know if it's really exactly put in that order, but if I... Yeah.
So you
creatively think.
you figure this out yourself?
Yeah. Am I creative?
Okay. Okay, yeah.
I think it makes sense, right?
Yeah, I guess it's probably named that way.
Yeah, because it reminds me, because you asked me to tell every station's name and the order. It's like constantly in that order. So I might think maybe it's related to our history or something like that.
Probably.
Yeah. Bookstore and small kind of souvenir, like not souvenir, but toys and some
What's this
daily. This is for the operator operating the escalator.
Oh, okay. How deep is this? Roughly.
Roughly 100 meters.
Okay.
Quite deep, yeah.
Very. It's a long way up.
The way they look at.
Yeah, and everyone thinks this is weird. It's like a mushroom.
Yeah, because for me it's also new stuff, new kind of.
It's a very long ride. You want to sing something?
What do you mean sing something?
Aren't you practicing a song?
Is it okay?
Yeah, why not?
I think people will.
Nah, that's right.
Is it okay, really?
Come on, just go on.
Okay. I'm so shy.
Forget it.
Really?
Yeah.
You mean
running
really
out.
forget about it?
No. You're running out of escalator.
Okay.
Come on.
You hear it.
Hey.
I don't know. I really memorized the lyrics properly, but.
Then read from it. Come on.
용서 숨치네 용서 숨치네 지칠 줄 모르는 열정 한마음 좁게 바치는 것이 잠깐 보람이기에 심장에 동피를 뿌리네 뜨겁게 세차게. This is the part I memorized. Do you think it's a good song?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
You're supposed to sing this tonight, right? At the dinner?
Yeah. But
With Pang and me?
I think maybe me alone. That's why I get really nervous. Like, can you imagine I forgot the words and then
Then I will laugh.
don't.
What are they playing?
Which one?
There's a song. It's a patriotic song, right?
Yeah, I think it's performed by. We have merited chorus. Is it right? Chorus or choir?
Choir.
Choir, yeah.
Your military
of Korean
choir?
People's Army, yeah. It consists of like big choir.
Okay, we're here at the Arch of Triumph.
Yeah, okay, so I get the wrong timing, right? Like, surprise.
You came in early.
Yeah, I know.
Oh.
Yeah, this is it.
Yeah.
So after President Kim Il-sung had his triumphal return speech in this area, and this area was all named according to this triumphal return. So the station is Triumphal Return Station. This residential area is called Triumphal Return District.
Wait, it's a residential area?
Yeah, around this area. Okay. And there is the fun fair.
This is not right. This is like
this is not. But like you see, like around there, and then beside this trees. Do you want to move further?
Okay.
Further? Yeah, these are all residential areas. Yeah, so these are all named like Triumphal Return Street and District.
This part
and
residential.
Yeah, this
residential.
area.
This is what, government building?
Yeah, that is one of the. Yeah.
And that tower?
That tower is TV tower.
There's a amusement park somewhere here, right?
Yeah, just
there.
next to it. The smaller tower next to it.
Ah, okay.
Yeah. That is the Kaeson, which means triumphal return, triumph. Kaeson Youth Fun Fair or Recreation Park, whatever you call it. So this Arch of Triumph was built in 1982.
1982?
1982.
It's quite recent.
Yeah.
In that sense, yeah.
Yeah. Because this Arch of Triumph was built.
It's the biggest in the world, right?
I think so. 60 meters high.
It is.
Yeah, 60 meters high.
I think.
Yeah. Yeah.
Actually, I'm not sure.
Why not?
Check Wikipedia.
Yeah. So this was to praise President Kim Il-sung's exploit of liberating our country from Japanese.
I'm hungry. Let's go for coffee.
Okay. I'm hungry too. No, I'm thirsty.